Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Win. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to update an account record based on record ID using patch request through Postman in Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be see how to delete an account record using delete request through Postman in Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to delete an account record through Postman in Salesforce. Here, we will be deleting an account record based on record ID using delete request through Postman in Salesforce. So follow these steps to delete an account record through Postman. First, open Postman app and authenticate to get token. Then, add delete request method. Then, pass the URL. After that, we will be sending delete request to delete an account record through Postman. Here you will be finding the screenshot the step of Postman. First, go to your collection and here you will be get three dots. Create new request and by default it will be get to change get to delete from here. Here we will be pass the URL and at the end of the URL we will be pass the ID of account that I want to delete. After that, click on the send request. After clicking on the send button, this API will be execute and this record that I am passing here will be deleted from Salesforce. Now let's jump to my Salesforce and Postman app where we will be see live demo example how to create a delete request and how to pass URL and how to pass a record ID. After clicking on the sending button, we will be delete the account ID that I are passing on the Postman. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org and this is my Postman. So in the Postman, first we will be create delete method. So go to the collection. Here we will be get three dot. Click here. There is an option add request. Click add request. By default, it is a get method. So now I am changing get to delete because here I am deleting the record. So here I am selecting the request delete. Then here we will be pass the URL. So in the get method, I pass the URL, copy the URL, go to delete method. This is a delete and paste here. So if I deleting the record through Postman, do not need to pass the body. Here we will be passing the record ID. So go to your Salesforce developer account. Which record of account you want to delete? This is a list of the record of account. Now let me open one record. Test 11. This is a record of account. This is a record ID of this account. So copy this record ID from here. Go to the Postman and pass here. So first we will be pass the your credential root, then service, then version of the API, a subject. Here I am passing the a subject name account because I am deleting the account record. And here we will be pass the record ID that I want to delete. So here I am pasting the record ID that is copied from my Salesforce here. So here I am deleting this account test 11. Now there is a button send. Whenever I click on the send button, this API request will be executed and this record from Salesforce will be deleted. So now let me execute this sending request. Request has been completed. Now go to the Salesforce. Now let me refresh my account. Record has been deleted from Salesforce. Now go to the Classic to check record has been deleted or not. Go to the recycle bin. Here we will be find deleted ID. Test 11. Now let me open another one record of account. Suppose I want to delete post account, this record ID. Now copy this account ID and go to Postman, and instead of this account ID, pass that you copy from Salesforce. So here I copy from this post account, this record ID. So now I am deleting this record ID through Postman. Now I am clicking on the send button. Request has been completed from Postman. Now let me refresh the Salesforce. So this record ID passed to the Postman. So now let me refresh once again. Record has been deleted. Now let me check recycle bin. Here you will be get post account in the recycle bin. So now I restore. Check mark the checkbox that I deleted from Postman. There is a button and delete. So both of record has been restored from recycle bin. Go to account. Here you will be get deleted record has been restored. Now let me choose to classic. Here you will be get both record has been restored from recycle bin. So friends, in this lesson we have learned how to delete record of account based on record ID through Postman. Try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to delete record through Postman, please write in comment box. Friends, I always believe in practical scenarios, not in theoretical. If you are looking Salesforce and web application training, I will be provide to you in from beginning to advanced level training with real-time project scenario that is working in office. Please feel free to contact me for any inquiry or assistance. Visit my website www.thevijaykumar.in and download my app Take W3 Web. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.